Welcome back to FreshCo Graphics. Whether you're a returning viewer or joining us for the first time, we're thrilled to have you. Subscribe now for captivating insights into home and interior design. Inviting the French countryside home. Simple ideas for a charming garden. Embrace the effortless beauty and rustic elegance of the French countryside, with a garden that feels both curated and completely natural. This beloved style, often called jardin à la française, is not about rigid formality, but about creating a romantic, sensory haven that appears to have grown gracefully over time. It's a space that invites you to stroll, to sit, and to savor the simple pleasures of nature. By blending structured elements with a soft, overflowing abundance, you can cultivate a patch of Provence right in your own backyard. The goal is to achieve a look that is refined yet wonderfully untamed, full of color, fragrance, and timeless charm. Let's explore 3 foundational ideas to bring this dream to life. The color scheme of a French country garden is inspired by the sun-drenched landscapes of rural France. Focus on a blend of soft, muted hues like lavender, sage green, buttery yellow, and powdery blue. White flowering plants are essential for brightening the landscape and creating a sense of airy lightness among the other colors. Accents of deeper plum, rosy pink, and terracotta can be woven in to add depth and warmth to the overall composition. The effect should be harmonious and soothing, never harsh or overly bright. This palette evokes a sense of peaceful, time-worn elegance that is the hallmark of the style. Hardscaping plays a crucial role in establishing the garden's rustic character. Opt for natural, aged materials like local stone for pathways and old, reclaimed bricks for low walls or edging. Wrought iron is another key element, seen in delicate arbors, curved benches, and antique-looking plant supports that have a graceful forged feel. Terracotta pots, especially those with a faded patina or a touch of moss, are perfect for containing herbs and small flowers. These materials all share a common trait. They look like they have been there for generations, weathering beautifully with time. This approach grounds the garden and gives it a soulful, established presence. A French country garden is never sparse. It thrives on a profusion of life and a carefully managed sense of wildness. Achieve this by layering your plants, placing taller varieties like climbing roses and foxgloves at the back, with medium-height blooms like lavender and catmint in the middle. Allow plants to spill gently onto pathways, softening the hard edges of stone and brick. Intermingle ornamental flowers with useful herbs such as rosemary, thyme, and sage to engage the senses and add to the garden's rustic utility. This layered, slightly crowded approach creates a tapestry of texture and color that feels both generous and intimate. The result is a garden that feels alive, vibrant, and wonderfully inviting.